This is like the
This
worst
is life
lighting
again.
ever.
This is life again.
But I'm starting the vlog here. I haven't done a YouTube video in so long. I'm so sorry. This is my boyfriend.
Yeah.
No.
Novio.
As I was saying, I'm starting the vlog here. Eli and I just we're in Montreal.
What's good?
The lighting sucks and I still don't have a vlogging camera, so phone quality it is.
You never vlog.
That's true. I only vlog sometimes, but making an effort. We're gonna go clubbing tonight. Decided against it because we're both really tired.
I need no energy gain.
Literally. Okay, so you want alcohol, and we're legal here, so. So I got some breakfast food, some beer for breakfast.
We're here for alcohol.
You know you're Latina, we pour beer in our cereal.
We're not doing that. In the morning? Ew! I don't like drinking. I did that one time at Panda Game, never again.
Okay, so... Okay, so the elevator's kind of sketch, and we're all the way at the penthouse, like 13th floor.
Yo. We're home.
So we got groceries, Cheerios, some ramen noodles. We got Coronas because that's like the only beer I actually like. And we're legal here. Candy. I got candy. Also, should I get Twitter? I mean Twitter. I have Twitter. Should I get Tinder?
Yeah, do it tonight.
Okay. Think tonight I'm getting Tinder just for fun. I'm bored. I don't really look for anything serious anyways. Kind of creeps me out. I just like to have fun. My parents know this. I'm a little wild child. Good morning. So it's really not the morning anymore. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon. But Eli and I slept in, got ready, and then we were watching Elite because I didn't bring my hairdryer, so I had to wait for my hair to dry. So we're gonna go to the art gallery, art museum now. Eli's just...
So, hey everyone. Hi.
So that's really awkward. The museum is closed down until October 20th because they're making renovations. Okay, so we're currently in Forever 21. I'm getting like a sports bra. And then I made Eli jump and get me this white robe because I want to take a picture in the balcony of our Airbnb. Yeah. It's gotta be classy in a way, right? Also, girls keep checking Eli out, and it's really funny.
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna go pay for this. Honestly, shout out to the cashier here. She just set up my eyelashes were really pretty. So I may have lost Elias. I don't know where he is. I thought you died. Guys, one of my broccolis fell. What'd you get?
Rice, an egg roll, chicken, and veggies.
He's happy. I just got noodles and then the vegetable stuff and a lemonade. So this is like at the underground mall that they have. Also, I got makeup on my turtleneck. That's why I had to roll it down. So.
Oh, I need a fucking hoodie. Really bad.
Okay, so we're back to our Airbnb. It's around like 6 p.m. now. I do the most awkward things when I vlog. Eli, are you laughing at me?
No.
Where are you? It's around 6 p.m. I'm gonna meet up with someone. Eli's gonna study, and then we're gonna go clubbing tonight.
Yeah, hey. Yay.
Let's covering.
Yay, Latina gang.
So I'm currently just walking around this really nice neighborhood. I just went to get breakfast at a cafe. And then I'm gonna go meet up with my friend now because I need to charge my phone. So shut up. Eli and I are really getting ready because we're gonna have a little photo shoot.
Yo, I need
on the
my set
back.
it Get that shit glowing. Yo.
On the balcony. So I'm gonna change into a dress I got. And I'm putting on the silk robe I got because we gotta go all out for the pictures. Damn,
Yeah.
you look hot.
Thanks. You just got that.
Also, do you love the height difference? I'm really short. People always think I'm tall when they meet me and they're like, oh. And I'm like, yeah, I'm 5'3".
Latinos at 5'3".
Yeah. Typical Latina height. Alright.
Bye everyone. Bye. Ow.
So I changed into my outfit.
Oh, I thought we were
So
taking a
I'm
photo. I got really excited.
this black dress I got yesterday, the robe, and I just took some pictures of him. He's wearing my jacket. Honestly, all my friends wear my clothes now, and I kind of like it in a way. I don't know. I feel really like loved and like my style. Also, this is my natural hair. It's kind of, you know, being wild, but I'm kind of digging it right now, not gonna lie. So I was coming back from second cup and it's pouring outside. A car literally a car splashed me, so like I'm soaked. Okay, so we're like rushing to get downstairs because we got Uber Eats. It's freaking pouring outside, as you saw in the last clips. So that kind of ruined our plans for the night, but we're just gonna eat some Mexican food.
So we never went clubbing,
And
even though we talked about it 100 fucking
yeah.
times. But yeah, this is the vlog of no clubbing.
So we got our food and he literally saw us. I'm in my pajamas, so is he.
We're so quirky.
Got our food, I'm so hungry. Excuse me, we're trying to go home. Did you break the elevator?
It's not pressing.
Oh. It's because I pressed and then you pressed it again, so you unpressed it. Oh my god, traveling with Elias is... Elias.
Hi everyone, this is the epitome of depression right now.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're in Ottawa. We're trying to get the bus back to Carleton. We're dying, we're hungry. Okay, so I'm back in my dorm and I'm just gonna end the vlog right now. But yeah, I need to go to Montreal again, so if anyone wants to send me money so I can go back, I love you.